We begin here tonight with a warning to parents going out from several tri-state schools about a highly contagious infection on the rise right here in our area.
Health anchor Liz Bonus just returned from the Hamilton County Health Department with a new alert about a jump in cases of whooping cough. Liz.
Hey guys, good evening once again. Whooping cough, or pertussis as it's called, is a bacterial infection. It is now going around in several tri-state schools, and Hamilton County Public Health has issued this alert, and it's because of what appears to be a jump in cases compared to previous years at the same time. That's the sound when someone has that. Now there's a danger that it causes a really bad respiratory infection, which can make it hard for a young child to breathe. They make kind of a whooping sound, like whoop, when they can't breathe. And parents are being asked to watch for that as a warning sign and take kids to see a doctor if they start to show signs of any kind of a bad respiratory symptom. It also is prevented through a vaccine, so parents are being asked to see if a child has had all their immunizations up to date. Oak Hill Schools told me today they're one of several districts. They've alerted parents. They now have children with confirmed cases in classrooms, and they're receiving additional alerts. Many who've had close contact are saying that if they tell their doctors, they're being treated with antibiotics just even as a precaution. As for the rest of this, here's what you need to know.
If a child in your class has something or has been diagnosed or has a known case of it, what do you suggest?
Just by all means pay attention to the letter, follow the directions that are on that. Usually we'll tell you to kind of keep an eye on your child for a period of days after you get the letter to make sure they aren't getting sick, and if they are showing some of the symptoms, which are primarily respiratory, to go talk to your doctor and get them tested and get them treated if need be.
What is your main concern in all this?
The little ones are the most at risk. Infants that aren't able to have received the full series of the vaccine yet, they're the most at risk.
Now, to put this in perspective, and by the way, he is referring in that letter to this alert. To put in perspective, Hamilton County Public Health said they have about 60 confirmed cases right now, 20 at the same time last year. So that's triple the year, but it's still a lower number of cases. Oak Hill shared with me today they've had about 20 known cases in the district. They have 8,000 students. So they said, you know, they're right now in 6 out of 9 schools, but keep in mind, several can be in one family where that virus spreads easily. It's why they want to raise awareness right now. Paula?
All right. Thank you, Liz. And we do have a link to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention to share more information, and you can find it at local12.com.